Happy Valley Kuspe mi elo Lysia Mavunga, Anutut Ilavunga. So I'm a happy Inuk, Amalu Anaga, Ananaga. I'm a Angayuk of Toronto. Panaga lives in Boston. And these are when we had a family reunion, my husband, my brother, me, my mother, and our daughter. I had her from someone else. So I have a lot of intergenerational trauma, so it's been a hard road to get here. I'm happy to be invited, and thank you all for welcoming me. I live in Massachusetts, not of my own choosing. I was relocated as a baby. And so I had a tracheostomy as a kid, and I was lucky to live. So when I'm being 50 this year, it's a big celebration. So now, as a grown-up, I'm a writer and an artist, and I have 3 of my articles in the ITK magazine called Inuktitut magazine, issues 125, 126, 127. And I'm wearing my toonie bracelet from a woman Inuk made in Postville, and my earrings my cousin in Labrador made. And so I have a lot of Inuit stuff, and I make art. So I was just celebrated in a online art exhibit, and I'm going to be in a gallery too down here in Massachusetts. So I don't know, I just sorry to interrupt. And I'm on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and hope you join me. And happy International Inuit Day. Nakumak.
Nakumik ela dana ela United States mi yung una, Massachusetts mi, yung nagsabong miyo.